The error code 31-4302 on Genshin Impact usually occurs while the game is starting up. This means that you won't have the chance to view your settings or even check your characters in the game. In this guide, I will show you a few steps to fix the error code 31-4302 on Genshin Impact. Let's get started. Method 1. Restart the game. The error code 31-4302 is an indication that the game failed to load its game data. Possibly, it encountered a temporary error that causes Genshin Impact to malfunction. To fix this, simply restart the game to reload all of its resources. Method 2. Check internet connection. Since Genshin Impact is an online game, it requires a stable and robust network connection to run properly. If you have encountered an error code 31-4302 on Genshin Impact, it can indicate that your internet is slow. If the result indicates that your network is indeed the problem, try to restart your router. This should re-establish the connection with your ISP and solve the issue. Method 3. Check server status. If you are unable to load the game right from the start, it is possible that the problem is related to Genshin's servers. Since its release, Genshin Impact's servers suffer from occasional downtimes due to the volume of players. Try to check the status of Genshin Impact's servers using DownDetector. It is a third-party website that displays the current status of applications and website servers. However, if their servers are perfectly fine, move on to the next method. Method 4. Turn off VPN. While VPNs work great for securing your network, it can also interfere with its functions and could cause instability. If you are having trouble loading Genshin Impact and you are using VPN, try to turn off your VPN. Method 5. Update Genshin Impact. Problems loading Genshin Impact could also be due to an outdated version of the game. It is possible that Genshin's servers no longer support the version you are running, which explains why it doesn't load. To fix this, simply update the game on your device. Method 6. Repair Genshin Impact.
Open the Genshin Impact game, click the Settings cog from the top bar. Select Repair Game Files. Next, click Repair Now and then confirm. Method 7. Update the graphics driver. You should try is to update your graphics driver. It's the most basic fix for most game errors. You are able to easily and quickly update the same from Device Manager. If Device Manager doesn't detect the latest available version for you, you may need to search on the manufacturer's website. Be sure to choose only the driver that is compatible with your Windows version. Method 8. Check for update windows. It seems that an outdated system version may trigger issues with the game launching. You should always check for Windows updates and install the latest version completely. Method 9. Uninstall and reinstall Genshin Impact. If none of the above methods work, then the 31-4302 error could be a result of the corrupt installation of Genshin Impact that is beyond repair. In this case, the tedious and data-consuming task of reinstalling Genshin Impact may solve the problem.